Okay. So support the people in your life that want to be content creators, because it's not pie in the sky. I'm telling you, 100 people. I'm going to tell you a secret. All right. Let me look at my note down here. All right. It's easy enough. So if you have 100 people and you have a membership group, right? And you have 100 people in the membership group, and every month they're going to pay you $30. At the end of the year, that's $36,000 from 100 people. If it was only 30, so if we had 100 dedicated followers and we charged them $30 a month for 12 months, $36,000. Okay. Now you bump that up to $50 a month. If you have a membership in a group for $50 a month, that's $60,000 a year on 100 people. Okay. 100 people paying you $50 a month is 60 grand a year. So we said we had 100 followers, right? And if we had a $50 item, okay, now that's $5,000. Now that's a month. So you're going to times that by 12 months, right? So the $50 membership fee for 100 people for 12 months is $60,000 a year. All right? Do the math. So it's not pie in the sky. You can make a decent living if you have 100 dedicated followers. If you have people that are going to, and what do I mean by followers and the monthly fee? So you do what's called a membership, where you do a live stream like this, or a podcast or something where it's just to the members. And you do it 1 hour a week, where you answer questions in whatever niche it is. And what's a niche? A niche is a discipline, a following, a sport, something like that you can give advice in. So you're giving advice once a week. You're answering people's questions. They're going to pay for your advice. You're an influencer in that niche, right? And that's how you make money. You're a nano influencer, right? A nano influencer is somebody that has between 1,000 and 5,000 followers or subscribers. But out of that 1,000, 5,000 subscribers that you have, 100 of them are dedicated. That's what the 100 that'll follow you, into battle, that'll run into the bullets for you, right? Those 100 people, that's the ones you want, right? That's what you want. 4 hours of work a month. You meet with them, pick a night of the week, Tuesday nights, Thursday nights, Sunday nights, 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock at night. You sit on whatever podcast or a video or a Zoom call for 1 hour, right, with 100 people who are going to ask you some questions, and you answer their questions. They're in your membership group, and you're going to make some bank for 4 hours a month. That's a nano influencer. Okay. Now, those people, besides doing that, they're going to market products to those people, and a certain percentage of them are going to buy whatever you put out once you're at that point, right? And that's when you're going to make some bank, right? That's when you're going to make some bank. Okay. So that's how easy it is. And like I told you, 100 people that'll follow you into battle, those hardcore followers, that's all you need is 100 of them.